Let's move on to the Assets page. This is where you will find the complete history of your generations and consumption. You can see your videos, images, and voices. By default, the list is filtered by Today. If you click on All Time, you can view all your files. For each file, you can check the model used, the resolution, and the credits consumed. You can download the file and find its ID. Keep this ID handy if you ever need to contact support regarding a specific file. In the Videos section, you will find all your generated videos. Clicking on one reveals its details. For example, the duration, like 15 seconds, the tool used, such as video to video, the 9:16 ratio, and the 480p resolution. By default, all your creations are set to private. You can choose to switch them to public to share them in the gallery, which will earn you 100 credits in return. You will also see the model used, such as the creator model, and its cost, for example, 2,400 credits. From here, you can use the Edit or Twin buttons, or delete the video. Since it is a video-to-video generation, meaning a twin, you can also see the product image and the original video used as a base. The exact same principle applies to the Images page, where you can see your creations and their cost, like 50 credits. Finally, the remaining tabs allow you to track your ongoing generations, find your voice lip sync creations, and review your overall consumption history.